How to convert a video to GIF on Android. It stands for Graphic Interchange Format, so I'm going to show you how you can convert any video to this format. First of all, you will need this application called CapCut because it is a very quick and easy way to convert any video to GIF. Just open the app, and from here you want to tap on New Project and import a video. Here I have imported a quick video, so this is the video right here. Now in order to convert it to a GIF, it is very simple. Once you're done editing on this app, you can see there are many options from which you can edit. You can just tap on this 1080p on the top besides the export. Just tap on the drop down. It will show you different options for resolution, frame rate, and from here it's selected on video mode right now. To select to GIF, and you have an option for 240p, that is the standard, but if you want to increase the quality you will have to get the pro mode for this app. I'm just going to do the standard version and then tap on export. Once you do that, it will be done and you can check your gallery. So as you can see, this video has been converted to a GIF and the resolution has been dropped as well. So if I just tap on its info, you can see this is .gif format, and that's how you convert any video to GIF on Android. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on new updates. I'll see you on the next one.